Nations across the world are welcoming 2022 with low-scale celebrations due to the Omicron variant of the COVID-19, which is rallying infections and raising hospitalizations in a large number of countries. A large number of people gathered at Dubai's Burj Khalifa and witnessed the impressive fireworks display welcoming the new year 2022. A special laser show took place at Burj Khalifa, which is said to be the world's tallest building. The crowd witnessed the special laser show performed at the Burj Khalifa. The world's tallest skyscraper was dazzled in the night sky, beaming Happy New Year. Many countries ended 2021 with a record number of COVID-19 cases on the last day of the year as France logged over 2 lakh COVID cases. Welcoming the new year, French President Emmanuel Macron said that the next few weeks would be difficult as the country headed into subdued New Year celebrations after registering 232,200 new COVID-19 cases over the last 24 hours, its highest ever recorded total. The weeks to come will be difficult. We all know that, Macron said in a broadcasted New Year's Eve address. From midnight, France will take over the presidency of the European Union. You can count on my total commitment to make this moment a time of progress. 2022 must be the year of a European turning point, Macron said in a tweet. Stressing that the UK's condition is incomparably better than last year, Prime Minister Boris Johnson has said that 2022 is almost upon us. Whatever the challenges that lie ahead in the coming weeks and months, our position today is incomparably better than last year, he said in a tweet on Friday. Urging people to get vaccinated, Johnson said that make it your New Year's resolution to get your jabs and do something that will make 2022 a happy new year for us all. His remarks came as the UK is battling a massive surge in infections and a jump in hospitalizations. The UK on Friday reported 189,846 COVID-19 cases and 203 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Countries across Europe are facing massive surges in COVID infections, with the nations implementing new measures and urging people to get booster shot. Meanwhile, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has expressed hopes that the new year will bring health, peace and prosperity to the nation, underlining that in 2021 Turkey has accomplished countless works and actions that will provide uninterrupted services to the nation. Breath my Lord, as long as our nation supports us, we will continue to serve our country in 2022 with a prayer that the new year will bring health, peace and prosperity, he said in a tweet. People in China welcomed the new year under restrictions in certain places and cities. The Xi'an city's people were placed under lockdown by the Chinese authorities due to the rise in COVID-19 infections. The New Year celebrations at the various places were cancelled due to COVID-related restrictions. In Beijing, Happy Valley Amusement Park cancelled the event which was scheduled to mark the beginning of the new year. Similarly, in the eastern city of Nanjing, a drone show and fireworks were dropped. However, people in the country witnessed the address of the Chinese President Xi Jinping, who called 2021 a year of exceptional significance. But during the whole year, the West continuously accused the Chinese Communist Party of extreme human rights abuses in the Xinjiang province. The New Year's welcome was also marked by the cancellation of thousands of flights in a number of countries. More than 2,800 flights were cancelled and nearly 12,000 more were delayed around the world on Thursday as the Omicron variant of the coronavirus caused staff shortages at airlines, the tracking website FlightAware showed, reported Xinhua. Omicron muted the celebrations globally, and the WHO chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus on New Year's Eve urged the countries to vaccinate 70% of their population. Calling for the pandemic accord, he also called the nations to strengthen global health security and urged all nations to strengthen their healthcare systems. The dawn of the new year also comes amid rising tension between Russia and the West over the massive military buildup on the Ukrainian border. Thursday's talks between US President Joe Biden and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin showed a trade of warning between two leaders, with also called for stronger diplomacy among nations. Meanwhile, several countries celebrate New Year at different time. Of this, Oceania is the first place in the world to welcome New Year. New Year here begins at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 31st December 2021. On the other hand, Howland and Baker Islands near the United States will be the last places to welcome New Year 2022 as they celebrate by 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on January 1. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.